how to wear multiple hairs at once. This video will be teaching you how to wear more than two hairs at once, or you just how to wear two hairs pretty much. Just how to wear as many hairs as possible. Now you can do this for hats as well. I think there's a limit of 3 hats. And you can literally wear about 5, 6, 7 hats if you wanted to. I think you can actually wear 10 hats. This is insane. And for hairs as well, you can literally wear 10 hairs at once. But obviously, I don't think anyone's going to be that crazy with hairs. I'm pretty sure most people just want to mix the hairs together. Maybe what, one or two or three hairs at max. And I'll be teaching you guys today. Because obviously, you can only wear one hair at once. And I'll be pretty much helping you guys do that. So, of course, now if you're on your mobile device, I would highly recommend you to go onto your PC, because honestly, you cannot do it on mobile. So, say if you have someone's laptop as well, or Mac, literally, please ask them, like, oh yeah, can I just go on Roblox for like 5 minutes to do this thing, because I can't do it on mobile? Literally, convince them, because you have to do this on your PC, it's insane. And yeah, so right here, so obviously go to your hair bit. So if you don't know where that is, if you just go to body and go to your hair right here, it is right here. Now obviously, luckily I only have one hair. I don't really spend too much on Robux, so I only have one hair. So obviously right here, so if you guys go right here to the bottom left, it should say right here advanced. So avatar isn't loaded correctly, advanced, and boom, you should come up with all these numbers. Now 1 number is for my actual hair. This number is my hat right here. Now you may be thinking, well, how can I get the numbers for my other hair? Well, I'll be teaching you right now on how to wear them at once. So how do you find the IDs? So you can actually wear up to 10 IDs at once. You can have 5 hairs, 5 hats, or if you just want hats, you can wear 10 hats or just 10 hairs. So if you're on your mouse right now, right here, right click on the hair you want to wear and press right here, open link in new tab right here, and it should come up right here in another tab, of course, with the hair. So if you guys look right now to the top left right here, if you guys look, I've got a little zoom in right now for you. So as you see right here, here is the little number. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to get the whole number. Make sure you get the whole number. And right here, and just right click on your mouse like this and press copy. Let me just get my screen back to normal. 1 second, guys. There we are. Boom. So yeah, once you have that ID, so go back to your avatar selection and go right here to advance. Once you go to advance, just right here, so click on an empty box, right click again and press paste right here. Press paste and press save. Yes, I want to save, and boom. You can now wear 2 hairs. I can't really see my braids right now. Let me just see. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can do it. Yeah, here you can see them right there. And yeah, you can literally wear 2 hairs at once. Obviously, this looks dreadful on me. I don't know what this is right now. But yeah, please leave a like on this video. And not just that right now, guys, but not just that. But I am also, just letting you know, doing a massive giveaway right now on this channel to those who subscribe to the channel and leave a like right now. So as you see right here, I am paying out a subscriber from last video 100,000 Robux. Yes, that is right. And if you want to be one of these lucky people, just subscribe to the channel, which is that big red subscribe button. Hit that, leave a like on this video, and then of course drop your Roblox usernames in the comments down below. Once you do that, I will add you on Roblox, and we can pretty much take it from there. And you can go and add me as well on Roblox and join the group, of course. Where is my group? These users not in any groups. I think I am in the group right now, my own group. And yeah, right here, Reckless-Roblox. So yeah, go join it right now. There's still around 10 million group funds in this group, obviously. Actually, I think there's 9.5 million now, so join while you can. I might do a few 10k payouts, so that means over 95 people can get 10,000 Robux. So join it right now. It is definitely worth it, and yeah.